Hi guys, today we just got these mystery fidget bags. We've got 10 fidgets in them and we'll be unboxing them. So just open them ahead. Close your eyes and we're each going to pick one out. I don't know how to open it.
Three.
Wait. 3, 2, 1, pick one. Okay. I like this. Oh, wait, should we trade?
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah, trade.
No, it should be orange. You want an all orange one?
I want to trade.
Fine. Trade.
Yes.
Now, next one. Ooh, I feel something weird and I don't like it. Trade.
Again?
How did we get the same one again?
Does this keep happening?
Wait.
We're not even looking either. I can't believe we...
Dolphin. Ooh, I like this.
Just happened.
Like it.
How would you open this?
And you can like put your finger. It's a shark. It's a shark.
Like, shark.
Yeah.
And a dinosaur.
3, 2, 1, go.
No way.
What?
What the... Wait, no, actually though. Are you looking in mine?
No.
No way. How do we keep picking the same? I'm just gonna go right to the bottom of the bag now.
Yeah.
That one was right.
2,
Wait, no,
1.
I'm not ready.
3,
I'm not ready.
2, 1.
Oh my gosh, I'm not swapping. I
You're
like
not
this one.
swapping. Ooh, I like this one as well.
Because this one's more boyish than girlish.
It's like
I finally got a boyish one. Finally.
Yours are good.
I finally got a...
Mine's,
No,
I like
boyish.
mine.
I like
Right,
mine more.
3.
This is good.
We got the same thing again.
I know.
3, 2, 1. This feels weird.
Oh,
I think mine broke. Wait, if I'm not the half.
what the hell?
Mine broke.
What is this?
Mine definitely broke.
Wait, I know one something.
Huh? Go. Okay, I need to find the other half of mine. I don't know where it is.
This is quite weird.
Is this it? Yeah. Mine broke. Oh wait, it didn't. It's meant to come like that, I think.
My one that I got is quite weird.
What is that?
I don't know. It's quite soft. I'm just joking, it's not.
I don't got it. Anyway, next.
3, 2, 1, go.
There's that one.
Another.
Ooh, I got this purple fidget spinner.
What the heck?
I like this. Fidget spinner.
3,
2, 1, go. That one.
It's supposed to come like this.
Bruh.
I think it's supposed to do that.
Okay, I don't know what this is.
It's not even a sticky hand.
I don't even.
Wait, is there a sticky hand that comes with it?
I don't know what it is.
Did you get a sticky hand with it?
No.
I feel a slinky. I'm trying to get this.
2, 1. Oh, this. I've just looked in mine.
Eating?
Yeah. Mine is so pretty.
Swap.
No.
That has blue though. This is yellow and pink. The girl.
Yeah, I love blue. Blue's my favorite colour. And the rest is
and the rest is a fidget spinner. Yellow.
glittery.
Listen.
A glittery. melted.
Mine's
all.
better. Mine's better.
I like mango.
Look, it's blue.
My favourite thing in this was either this or thing. I just think it's satisfying. This because this also very satisfying. It feels like a fuzzball.
No, it does not, man.
It's like the spice.
What about this?
It's too loud. And I also like these two. Should we combine them? We combine them. Copacabana. Oh.
It's a dinosaur.
Oh, it's crackly.
Do this. ED.
Yours is
Better.
slow.
ED. Do this. Why'd you do that? Poo on my elbow.
Okay. I'm so grateful for all of these things. Oh, I'm so grateful for all of these things. And I love them so much. Yeah. I love them so much and I'm so grateful. Peace out, bro.
What the hell?
Bye.